Happy day, everyone. Kay Zabivnik with McDowell Real Estate, and I am here in a really lovely little neighborhood in Paynesville Township, and I want to show you your next home. So first, let's take a look at the neighborhood itself.
Welcome to the Fairway Pines subdivision in Paynesville Township. Quiet neighborhood where pride in ownership shows. Now let's take a look at your next new home, 515 Prestwick Path. This 4-bedroom, 3 full-bath ranch-style home is just waiting for you to move right in. First up, you will notice the sellers widened the driveway on both sides and added a cement pad on the side of the garage for a privacy garbage corral. Also, not sure if you can see these, but they added the permanent exterior lighting and blink cameras for extra peace of mind. And the landscaping is outstanding. Raised flower beds with lighted, stone retaining walls and perennials throughout for easy maintenance. Check out this adorable front porch. Perfect for morning coffee or tea and watching the sun come up. Welcome to this beautiful ranch, built in 2020 and thoughtfully upgraded to offer comfort, convenience, and style. From the moment you step inside the open concept layout, you'll notice the fresh, modern feel with every room professionally painted. The sellers updated the fireplace with stone mantel and hearth and installed a custom, oversized ceiling fan to create a warm and inviting living space. The sleek kitchen design includes the extended, oversized, granite island with added pet station at the end. Sellers added TV mount outlets and central internet wiring in most rooms, making work from home a breeze. Step outside through the unique and highly convenient automatic slider door to enjoy your own private oasis. A fully fenced-in yard perfect for pets or play, and a paver stone patio complete with a charming pergola that sets the stage for summer gatherings or quiet evenings under the stars. An added storage shed with a skylight roof allowing it to flood with natural light, providing extra space for tools and outdoor gear, helping you keep everything neat and organized. Plenty of space in the yard for fun activities and entertainment. The finished basement, brand new carpet and freshly painted, features a large entertaining area, a full bathroom, a 4th bedroom, and a separate storage area, creating a cozy and inviting space for relaxing or entertaining. 515 Prestwick Path, now offered at only $450,000. Call us today at 440-477-4382 for your private tour.